They're in the gate. And they're off. So from mid-pack, it's Fitful Skies who comes out of there first. Riposte gets a foothold at the rail. And then it is Abaco and Irish Mission. Irish Mission's going to get hung up 4 wide as they make their way for the first turn. There's a gap of another 5 lengths to Caroline Thomas, who's trying to get over to the inside, but that spot is occupied by Modern Stone, and Modern Stone moves up a couple lengths as they move around the clubhouse turn. So in the early going here, it's going to be Riposte who provides the early pace. Irish Mission on the outside, rating while running along in second. Then Fitful Skies is now back to third. Abaco's next to her. And at the back of the pack in the early going here, English Import, Modern Stone, and Caroline Thomas. So on to the back stretch they go. First quarter was up in 24 4/5 seconds over the yielding going here, with Riposte still on top. There's light pressure from Irish Mission through a half in a sedate 51 3/5 seconds. Fitful Skies runs along third. Abaco right next to her. And another 2 back to the 2 trailers, Modern Stone, Well Held, and Caroline Thomas. So they continue down the back stretch run. It's a fairly tight pack here, only about 6 lengths from front to back, perhaps less than that. The leader remains Riposte. And right next to her, glued to her flank, remains Irish Mission, who's been second throughout 3 quarters in 1:17 flat. Fitful Skies has had a good journey so far, just drafting in behind the leaders while saving ground. Abaco gets a gentle reminder there from Johnny Velasquez. Abaco starting to advance, has to go 3 wide to do it. Caroline Thomas, Modern Stone, still at the back of the pack, midway around the far turn. Riposte trying to hang in there now for 3 more furlongs. Here comes Abaco mounting a bid. Abaco now makes a move here as they make their way toward the top of the stretch. And then it's Fitful Skies who's down toward the rail. Irish Mission is tailing off. And then it's Modern Stone trying to come through an opening down toward the rail. And Caroline Thomas, they are at the top of the stretch. And it is Riposte. Riposte full of run past the 8th pole. Abaco is fully extended, still 3 lengths behind, followed by Fitful Skies down toward the rail. And they're coming to the finish. And Riposte leads every one of the 11 furlongs. Abaco is second and Irish Mission.